So several clients have asked me lately, Steve, is there something we can do on a low budget to update our house, make it feel more fresh? And I said, as a matter of fact, there is. So one of my number one hacks on updating a house on a super low budget is take down those old mirrors that the builders put in your house when you first built there. It's just the glass, nothing around. Pull that sucker off. Go to At Home, Kirkland's, Home Goods, Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you want to find a mirror, a framed mirror. It doesn't have to fit the whole place. It has to go maybe to the edges, maybe a little bit past the sink, and just high enough to where it doesn't look too awkward with the positioning of your light fixture. Pull that old mirror off. Maybe you have to paint behind it, maybe not. Got those little plastic, cheap little hooks that hold it on. Pull those things out and hang a nice framed mirror. It's probably gonna be 60, 50, 70, somewhere in there. Put that up, you can go crazy. You can spend 100 or 200. By the time you put that up, you're gonna say, wow, why didn't we do this before? Our old college dorm looking bathroom is now awesome for under $100. That's my tip of the day. Steve Kinne, your guy, the Kinne Group.